Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. 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 Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to Krishna in you. Let's begin, Arjun. Let's start from the beginning. You can start from the beginning. We'll see all 25 verses first.
आत्मने नमः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। अर्जुन
प्रथम
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः।
महाप्राण.
Pull your legs. Pull your legs.
No, let it be. I'll just be with him. Leave him alone for some. So let's not have multiple instructions. Yeah, you just leave him alone with me, and we will. Okay.
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः।
महाप्राण.
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। अर्जुन विषादयोगः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत् पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च व्यूढान् नृपदपुत्रेण तव
व्यूढान् नृपदपुत्रेण
तव शिष्येण
You correct and you say. Correction you should repeat.
पुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता अत्र शूरा महेश्वासः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि
Say again, Bhimarjuna, that line you say again.
भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः अस्माकं तु तान् निबोधद्विजोत्तम नाथं तान् ब्रवीमि ते भवान्
Just give me a minute. My connection is. I'll just go change my place. Continue.
अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमे तेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम् अन्ये च अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं वृद्धः पितामहः स्युः विनद्योषैः शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्
No, Pratap.
शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च पणवानगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मुलोऽभवत् ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महदिस्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः
Shankau Mahaprana.
खौ प्रदध्मतुः
Madhava from there. Madhava, you say?
माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्य हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्णावृकोदरः अनन्तविजयौ राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः
Maharatha Mahaprana.
महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक् सघोषो धातराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलोऽव्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा
Not Drishtva. Drishtva.
दृष्ट्वा
Atha Vyavasthitan Drishtva. The is Alpa Prana.
स्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धातराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथौ स्थापय मेच्युत यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमं भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षितान् ताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति हरि ओम्
Good. Not bad. You've done very good. Only now some couple of Mahaprana issues have come. Okay. And they didn't ask anything in between, right? They just made you chant the whole thing. Correct?
Yeah, they didn't ask anything.
Yeah. So now in this one, they will ask you anything in between. And if it goes in tie, then they will make it even a rapid fire or very fast one as well. So just we have to be prepared. Okay. What are you fidgeting with? What are you not comfortable? What are you fidgeting with? What are you not comfortable with?
No, there's like a lot of water down here. So like when I put my legs down, I have to put it back up here. Like I get confused sometimes. I put it down, then it gets very wet. So I just have to put it back up.
Yeah, but there's a lot of fidgeting. Class, just for next 10 minutes, don't do anything else. Keep your legs up and sit comfortably. Because it's a diverted attention. When you will multitask when you're doing things, no, it will not sit in the memory. Then the same mistake will be repeated. Now just give me some steady time of 10 minutes. Okay. Let's do this exercise. Viryavan.
There are two videos, 5 or 6.
6.
वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान्निबोधद्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य सैन्यार्थं तान्
Draupadeyascha.
There are two Draupadi, 6 or 18. Draupadi
18.
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
Vikarnascha.
सौमदत्तिस्तथैव
Excellent.
अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे दग्धजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः
Viratascha.
4 or 17
4.
युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च
Senayor.
Huh?
Senayor.
21 or 24
24.
सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमं भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति.
When you reach there, you have to stop at Hariyo.
हरि ओम्.
No, but okay, we are continuing now. Anyway, Sanjay Vacha.
2 or 24
2.
संजय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं
Again.
तु पाण्डवानीकम्
One minute, my network. Okay, say again, Sanjay Vacha. From there you start.
उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डव.
So it's not Drishtva.
Before your network, I said drishtva. Then you said again. Then I thought that was wrong. You're saying asking me to say drishtva. I said drishtva now.
Dal.
Ekam vyudhan duryodhanastada.
So we redo this. Sanjay Vacha, start again.
2 or 24.
2.
Sanjay उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढन् दुर्योधनस्तदा आचमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत् पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणां तव शिष्येण धीमता.
So we should make a clear-cut differentiation. She is normal, Sh is the other Sh. But so for both together, we can keep same pronunciation. So you have to say Tava Shishyena. That half Sh, you should go like a whistle. That time the tongue is touching the roof of the palate. Shish. First Sh, she, and then half Sh. Tava Shish. How you'll say?
तव शिष्य तव शिष्य तव शिष्य.
So only the half sh is the tongue should touch the roof of the palate. From beginning itself, if you do, then both shs are not, then both shs will become same. She. So we have one more word like that. Rishikeshaha. Say.
Your network connection.
Little god. Okay, so we have one more word. Rishikeshaha. Say.
Hello, ma'am.
Hurry up, my dear. Sorry, my connection was bad, so I've just restarted. Let us see. So we have one more word. Rishikeshaha. Can you say that? Say the word. Say the word.
Rishikeshaha.
So no, the first sh is the tongue has to touch the roof of the palate. Rishi. And then keshaha is normal.
Keshaha.
Again,
Rishikeshaha.
rishi. So she, that tongue is touching the roof. She. And like a whistle from the sides of the lip, the air should come out. Tongue is folded up. Rishi.
Rishikeshaha.
Like a whistle. She. Touch the tongue to the roof of the palate when you say she. So that is the sh.
Rishikeshaha.
The
Deva.
keshaha is normal. Okay. That sh in kesha is normal. In rishi is the whistle. The tongue and the roof of. Rishi keshaha. Say
Rishikeshaha.
rishi. Whistle I should hear.
Rishikeshaha.
Shishyena.
Shishyena.
So first
Dhimata.
she should not whistle. First she should not whistle. First she normal. Shish.
Shish.
So shishyena.
Shishyena.
Correct. Dharta rashtrasya.
Bhartarashtrasya.
Sh. Dharta rash. Whistle.
Bhartarashtrasya durgu.
Correct. Then Dharta rashtranam.
Bhartarashtrana.
Rashtranam. Rash. Whistle.
Bhartarashtrana.
Correct. So this is what you're going to practice. That whistle sound is where the Murdhani Shakara comes. Murdhani means the roof of the palate, no, our mouth. The tongue should touch there. So there are what Murdhani words? Ta, ha, da, dha, na. So these are Murdhani. Murdhani words means the tongue is touching the roof of the palate. Okay.
And the two words in the verses, Hrishikeshaha.
Say.
Hrishikeshaha. No, wait. What is the 15th one? Panchajanya Hrishikeshaha. And 24. Eva Mukto Hrishikeshaha.
Correct. So both over the she should come like a whistle. She, that is dirgha sound also. It's not a short sound. See, your memorizing part is good. So we will work on. Then like this. Bhishma. Vamaha prana. Dirgha bhi. And then half sh is a whistle. Bhishma.
Bhishma.
So tell both the words where this Bhishma is there.
Bhishma Drona Pramukhatah.
Very good.
And Bhishma.
Bhirakshita. One more. There are many. And one more. Bhishmameva bhirakshantu. Yeah. Okay. So that sh is there. Okay. Also, paryaptan tvidamete from visalsha. Say, try that.
I know Paryaptan Tvidamete Shram. Balam.
Very good. Then let us try some more words. Priyachikir pravaha.
Priyachiki Shravaha.
Pravaha. Whistle.
Priyachikshravah.
Okay. Raja. I'm giving you a hint. Which are the places you will hear Raja?
Raja Vajanam Abravit. That's
Very
one.
good. Hmm. Another? Ananta.
Ananda Vijayo Raja
Hmm.
Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah
So in that
Nakulasya
Yudhish, that sh is also whistle. And that tha is with power. Yudhishthiraha.
Yudhishthirah.
Correct. Thera. Then Kashyascha Paramesh. That sh is also whistle. Say that line.
Shvasah Shikhandi cha Maharatha. How
No,
about
that Shikhandi is so that she is normal. That Shikhandi, she is normal, not whistle. Shikhandi. Kasyascha Parameshvasaha Shikhandi. Ka is Mahaprana. She is normal. So try this line again from beginning. Kasyascha.
Hasyasya Parameshvasah Shikhandi cha Maharathah Drishtadyo
Very good.
Virat Satyakishcha Parajitah
After the word after Pravritte Shastra Sampate.
Dhanurudyamya Pandavah
So now it came correct. Dhanurudyamya. Say.
Dhanurudyamya Pandavah
Continue.
Rishikeshan
Whistle. Rishi.
Dada Vakyam
Again.
Rishikeshan Dada Vakyam Idamaha Mahipate
Very good. Prithivipate.
Prithvi Pade 18 or 19.
19 doesn't have Prithivipate, darling.
But
Only
that's
18.
Prithvi Chaiva. Wait, the which Prithvi Pade? I know 18.
Only 18 is there. Say that only. Only 18 is there.
Saubhadrashya Mahabahu Shankhandad Muf Prithak
Continue.
Sarghosho Tharta Rashtra
Again. Ghosho. Whistle.
Shrodhartarashtraणां हृदयानि व्यधारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धातरा
Start from Vyavasthi. Start from there.
व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धातराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते
Very good. So it is not, not Senayor. Then Arjuna Uvacha should come, not Senayor.
about to say that.
Arjuna Uvacha. So it is not Prithivipate 2. It is one is Prithivipate in 18 and this Mahipate in 21. Okay. Don't start Senayor directly without saying Arjuna Uvacha. Okay. Good. So I think this much is okay for today. Now today's words, what we have revised, that you will practice and come tomorrow.
You said Mahipate is in 21. Senayor Rubhayor Madhye Ratho Stapaya Mechuta
No. Rishikeshan tada vakyam.
Idamaha Mahipate.
Correct. And after that?
Oh, that's 21.
So like,
20.
no. So Rishikeshan tada vakyam idamaha mahipate, one line over of 21. Arjuna uvacha. And the second line is Senayor Ubhayor Madhye.
Oh.
And that completes it. So each shloka will have 2 lines, right? So
Yeah.
after the first line, Arjuna Vacha has come in between, which we have to say, and then go to Senayadu. Got it?
My name
Great.
comes,
Pardon?
my name comes so many times in the Bhagavad Gita, all chapters.
Yes, all the chapters, it's all your questions, your doubts. Krishna is asking, answering to you exclusively. Krishna is talking to you. Krishna is Arjuna's best friend. And only Arjuna could see the Vishwarup. So you are special, darling. Good. So I'm going to see you tomorrow. Today you will, when I'll post the video, you revisit the words that we have revised.
Tomorrow, not 5:30, 2:30 can, because I don't have the TCA class tomorrow. It's got
I have given
cancelled.
you- So I have given you at what time? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow you said okay for 4:30, but then can I change to 2:30 same time as today, because tomorrow I don't have that class CCA.
Well, if I have given somebody 2:30, I have given somebody. Yeah, I have given that time to Sanya tomorrow. Because you were
What?
not there at 2. Yeah. Somebody has taken up that slot, darling.
Oh,
The
but
slot.
4:30
4:30 you are free.
I'm free.
Okay. And before 2:30 you are free anytime.
Hey, before 2:30, if I am free, I have to quickly rush home at from 1:30. If I come back from home, maybe
no, no,
I can.
No, don't rush. Eat simply, have your changeover, have your lunch and all. No need to rush. We'll keep at 4:30 because Sanya has taken that 2:30 slot for tomorrow. There are so
Okay.
many timings I'm juggling. So if you will say randomly, it may not fit, my dear. We'll stick to your time. Okay.
Okay.
Let's keep a spine straight in today's session. Om. Om. Hari Om, my dear child. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Hari Om, see you tomorrow.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.